Okay, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So we were doing this story, thief story. Okay. How did Hari Singh try to impress Anil? कौन बताएगा? How did Hari Singh try to impress Anil? Hello. Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Ayush Kumar Tenji.
Ma'am,
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम may I answer?
What is it, Rishi?
मैम एक प्रॉब्लम था हमको।
क्या प्रॉब्लम?
मैम ये जो मेरा पहला संडे जो टेस्ट हुआ है ना इंग्लिश का,
हाँ.
इंग्लिश और साइंस में मैम ऐसे ही मेरा रोल नंबर सर ने लिए, तब सर को फोन किए तब मैं लिया। और आप भी जो मैम सबका रोल नंबर भेजे तो उसमें मेरा रोल नंबर नहीं था।
तुम्हारा नहीं था, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा.
नो मैम 25 रोल नंबर नहीं था।
तुम्हारा 24 हो गया ना, सबका एक आगे बढ़ा है क्योंकि हर्ष कुमार टुक्टी सी रोल नंबर 12, उसके कारण सबका एक बैक हो गया रोल नंबर, और कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, पहले जो था उससे एक कम हो गया. असम आई हैव चेक्ड योर कॉपी, तुम भेजे ही थे, हम चेक किए हैं तुम्हारा कॉपी.
चेक किए है ना?
हाँ हाँ. ओके ओके. सो how did, who will answer? Ayush Kumar Tenji.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Advait.
ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Advait, answer.
Ma'am, by lying that he can cook food.
Okay. uh, in the beginning, how he tried to impress him when he met him at the
Ma'am, he
restaurant?
said flattery words.
Yes, yes, he
Good morning,
flattered. Good morning. Okay, so he flattered Anil by saying that he looked like a wrestler, though he was very lean and thin, and then he lied to him that he could cook. uh, so okay. What happened when Hari Singh cooked for the first time? कौन बताएगा? When Hari Singh cooked food at Anil's house, Ambesh Kumar Singh Tani. Ambesh, Ambesh, can you answer? Bhavya,
No, ma'am.
Bhavya, can you hear me?
Ma'am, what is the question?
Question is, what happened when Hari Singh cooked food for the first time at Anil's house? How was the food?
Ma'am, he cooked terribly so that
He cooked? Yes. Yes, Bhavya?
ma'am, he cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog
Yes.
and told him to be off.
Yes, he cooked such a horrible food that Anil was not able to eat it. इतना खराब खाना बनाया कि अनिल उसको खा भी नहीं पाया, और उसने वो खाना को स्ट्रीट डॉग्स को दे दिया. and then he was very angry with Hari Singh because he lied to him. उसने बोला था कि I can cook. Uh, this was the condition on which Anil had brought Hari Singh to his house. He had asked him that if you can cook, I will feed you. So Anil was angry with him and he told him to go be off. जाने के लिए कहा, लेकिन Anil जो ये Hari Singh did not go. So what was Anil's profession? What kind?
He was a writer.
Okay, yes. Anil was a writer by profession. Okay, so we'll continue with this. So Anil was a writer by profession. What kind of a person he was? What kind of person was Anil?
I'm kind-hearted.
He was kind-hearted and simple man.
Kind-hearted, innocent, and very helpful. Mm. So, okay. So, so one evening, just a quick recap of what was done till now. So, one night, Anil brought a big bundle of notes. So, he was a writer by profession. So, his income was very irregular. So, he got money by fits and starts. Fits and starts means very irregular. Sometimes he would have so much money that he would lend it to his friends and spend it lavishly. कभी इतना कम पैसा होता कि he would have to borrow money. So Anil's income was very irregular. But one day he brought a whole bundle of notes. And okay, where did he keep those notes? Who can answer? Where did he keep those bundle of notes?
Under the mattress.
Okay, he kept it under the mattress. And Hari Singh, when he saw the notes, he made a plan. It was a very nice opportunity for him to steal the money, because Anil had very carelessly kept the money under the mattress, and he told to himself कि बहुत दिनों से he had not done anything in his line of work. So what was he doing in Anil's house? He was cooking food. He was taking care of his house. So that was not his line of work. Basically, he was a robber by profession, thief. So he said that if he will not do some real work, he will become out of practice. So he made the plan and he stole the money. What happened at the railway platform? वो हुआ था रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पे, क्या हुआ?
No, ma'am.
शायद हुआ था. द लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस वाज स्टिल, ये नहीं हुआ था.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so Anil Hari Singh very easily he stole the money. Anil was sleeping very peacefully, and it was very easy for Hari Singh to steal the money because Anil had put it under the mattress, and he had the keys of the door. So at night he just opened the door and he crept inside quietly and he stole the money and then he ran away. He ran because he had to catch the 10:30 Lucknow Express. एक बार मनी उसने चुरा लिया तो उस शहर में रहना सेफ नहीं होगा. तो but he was on the way, he was curious to know how much money he had stolen. बंडल था लेकिन पैसा कितना था ये तो नहीं पता था, तो उसने काउंट भी किया. How much money was there? It was 600 rupees in 50s. 50 रुपीस का 600 नोट था, तो it was a big amount. He could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. So you can see in the picture, Anil is sleeping peacefully. Hari Singh हाथ अपना गद्दे के नीचे डाला. So when I reached the station, तो पैसा चुरा के वो भाग गया. अब उसका नेक्स्ट प्लान क्या था? स्टेशन जाके लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस पकड़ना. So he reached the station, but he did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life. He was a thief. He never purchased ticket. बिना टिकट का ही वो जर्नी करता था. Dashed straight to the platform. Dashed means ran. And he ran straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. So Lucknow Express had just started. Just moving out, started. एकदम तुरंत खुली ही थी. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. So uh, if he tried, he could have boarded the train. अगर वो कोशिश करता तो वो he would able to board the train. But I hesitated for some reason. कुछ कारण था कि वो ट्रेन नहीं पकड़ा. Hesitated for some reason. क्या कारण था वो उसे खुद भी नहीं पता. I can't explain. He can't explain the reason why he did not catch the train. If he had tried, अगर वो कोशिश करता तो ट्रेन पकड़ लेता. But he doesn't know why he hesitated to catch the train, and I lost the chance to get away. तो शहर से बाहर निकलने का चांस जो है वो खत्म हो गया. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. So train left. Immediately the platform became deserted. ट्रेन खुल गई तो प्लेटफॉर्म एकदम खाली खाली हो गया. Deserted means with very less people. So I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. Hari Singh did not have friends also because he was a robber. So keeping friends was not safe for him. The police could get a clue from his friends. तो दोस्त उसके कोई थे नहीं. अब शहर में वो किसी को जानता नहीं था. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the hotels. So he did not want to stay in the hotel because he thought that if anyone will suspect him, he may be caught. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. So he knew only one person in the town. पूरे शहर में उसे बस एक आदमी से जान पहचान था, and that was Anil. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So he missed the Lucknow Express. Now he moved through the bazaar. Now he is just thinking where to go. कहाँ जाए, कहाँ रात बिताए. No friends, no known persons in the town. So in my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. So he in his career as a thief, he used to observe men's faces when they lost their goods. जब किसी का कोई सामान चोरी होता तो उनका चेहरे पर कौन सा भाव आता है. He used to observe it. So what kind of expression came on the greedy man's face? The greedy man's face showed fear. Greedy man's face showed fear. Rich man's face showed anger. So there are different expressions on different kind of people when they lose their things, when things are stolen. Rich man shows anger. Poor man shows acceptance. जो गरीब आदमी है, चलो चला भी गया तो उसको accept कर लेते हैं ज्यादा. They don't worry lot, they accept it. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. लेकिन हरी सिंह को ये भी पता था कि अनिल जब पता चलेगा चोरी के बारे में, थेफ्ट मतलब चोरी, डिस्कवर्ड द थेफ्ट, would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. So, Hari Singh knows Anil's nature. Anil is not very concerned about money. Because we were told in the chapter, once he got money, he used to spend it on his friends, celebrate outside. So, money was not very important for him. तो हरी सिंह को ये भी पता था कि अनिल को जब पता चलेगा थेफ्ट के बारे में तो he will be very sad, but he will not be sad for the money, but he will be sad for the loss of trust. हाँ, उसका जो विश्वास टूटने का उसे दुख होगा. He trusted Hari Singh so much. He gave him the keys. He used to teach him reading and writing. He loved him so much. So Hari Singh knows that when Anil will come to know of the theft of money, he will feel sad, but that will not be because of his money. It will be because of the loss of trust. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. So he found himself in the Maidan, in the open ground. Bench पे वो बैठ गया. The night was chilly, so it was cold because it was early November. The night was cold, it was early November, and a light drizzle. Drizzle, light rain. Drizzle मतलब क्या? बूंदाबांदी, light rain. Added to my discomfort. Already ठंड थी और बारिश हो गई, तो he was feeling very uncomfortable. And in the beginning the rain was light, लेकिन धीरे धीरे बारिश तेज हो गई. My shirt and pajama stuck to my skin, so his clothes became wet and stuck to his skin. The clothes became wet and stuck, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. So Hari Singh was feeling very uncomfortable because the night was cold and he got completely wet. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. So where did he take shelter? क्लॉक टावर के नीचे जाके वो बैठ गया. बारिश होने लगी तो clock showed midnight, so it was 12 o'clock. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. Damp means, what is the meaning of damp? Bolo. Hello. Damp means what? Hello, can you hear me?
Wet.
Yes, very
Wet.
good. Damp means wet. So Hari Singh did not know where to go. He was just thinking where to go, and he had got completely wet. It was also a cold night, November night, and the heavy rain made him completely wet. पूरे वो भीग गए. And he just took shelter under a clock tower. Clock tower के नीचे जाके खड़े हो गए. It was midnight. It was 12 o'clock. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. Hari Singh ने सोचा कि अगर वो पैसा नहीं चुराया होता तो क्या होता. Next morning, Anil would have given him 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. So now he could not do the things he did at Anil's house. Anil के घर में वो जो भी काम करते थे अब तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. He couldn't cook, he couldn't go to the bazaar to buy the groceries. And what was the most important thing? That Anil was teaching him to read and write. He missed that golden opportunity. Learn to write whole sentences. इस बात का दुख हरी सिंह को अब होने लगा. That I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. चोरी करने के excitement में वो भूल गए थे कि अनिल जो है he is making him educated. So in the excitement of the theft, चोरी करने के excitement में he had forgotten that he was getting the golden opportunity to become a literate person, to become an educated person in Anil's house. So whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. तो उन्हें and Hari Singh knows that once he gets educated, he will become very successful. If he learns to read and write, what will happen? He could earn more than 100 rupees. It was simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. Now, now he was realizing that education, he was realizing the importance of education. So, after he stole the money, he realized that importance of education. So he thought that once he will become educated, he would get respect in society, clever and respected man. पैसा तो अभी भी है उसके पास, but what is not there? Respect is not there, peace of
Respect.
mind is not there. So now he is regretting. Anil Singh, Hari Singh is regretting why he has stolen the money. Now he has missed this golden chance of getting education. After becoming educated, he would earn more than a few hundred rupees. Uh, Stealing is very simple. Getting caught is very simple. But what is difficult? To become a really big man, to become educated man. I should go back to Anil. So when did he realize that he should go back to Anil? When he realized the importance of education, then he realized that he should go back to Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. So, uh, what was the what was the reason that prompted him to go to Anil's house? The desire to learn to read and write. हाँ, चोरी करने के एक्साइटमेंट में हरी सिंह भूल गए थे कि अनिल के घर में उन्हें गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रहा था पढ़ने लिखने का, दैट कुड मेक हिम अ रिस्पेक्टेबल पर्सन इन सोसाइटी. So when he realized this, then he decided that he should go back to Anil. When he realized the importance of education, then he decided, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. So immediately he hurried back to the room feeling very nervous. डर तो लग ही रहा था कहीं अनिल जग गए होंगे. If Anil had discovered the theft, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. चोरी करना आसान है, उसको वापस बिना पता लगाए रखना, it is very difficult. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway. In the clouded moonlight, Anil was still asleep. But what was the good thing? Anil abhi bhi so rahe the. So he returned back. So Hari Singh, once Hari Singh realized the importance of education, then he decided to return back to Anil's house. Once Hari Singh realized that how important education is. Education can make a person get respect in the society. Education gives a chance to earn more than 100 rupees, and it gives a chance to a person to become a respectable person. So once he realized the importance. Mute yourselves. Kiska mic unmute. So once Hari Singh understood the importance of education, immediately he took a quick decision to return back to Anil's house. He decided that he will put back the money from where he had stolen it. And luckily, Anil had not woken up. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. Uh, he went to the head of the bed and quickly he took out the notes from the waist. He had tied the notes with the string of his pajama. वहां से पैसा को निकाला. I felt his breath on my hand. अनिल जो सांस ले रहे थे, he could feel the breath on his hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. फिर मैट्रेस का किनारा खोज के, अंधेरा था तो हर चीज साफ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था. So because it was partially dark, he could not see everything clearly. So he found the edge of the mattress with his hand and slipped under it with the notes. So Hari Singh returned back from the station. He and Anil was sleeping. He quietly entered Anil's house and he put the money back under the mattress. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. So next morning he awoke late. रात में तो लगभग पूरा रात वो he was awake the whole night. तो natural था, दूसरे दिन लेट से नींद खुली. Anil made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. और सुबह सुबह अनिल ने उसको एक 50 रुपी का नोट भी दिया. 50 रुपी नोट. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. और अनिल का जो है his heart sank. Why? क्योंकि अनिल को Hari Singh was very upset because he thought that अनिल ने उसका चोरी पकड़ लिया है. I thought I had been discovered. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. So Anil said to Hari Singh ki, I have made some money and now I will give you a regular salary. When he had brought Hari Singh to his house, what did he say? I cannot pay you. I will only feed you if you cook. This was the condition on which Hari Singh was brought to Anil's house. But now he had money, so he said कि अब मैं तुम्हें एक regular salary दूंगा. My spirits rose, so he became happy. Spirits rose means what? Became happy. वो खुश हो गया कि चलो मेरे चोरी के बारे में इसे कुछ पता नहीं. वो नॉर्मल बात. क्या? Want to say something? So he became happy. But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. But what about the note? It had got damp in the rain. अभी भी वो note भींगा हुआ भी था. Today we will start writing sentences. Now again Anil has started teaching Hari Singh. Now he is teaching him writing sentences. Words छोटा छोटा वो सीख गया था. अब he said he knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. He knew. अब हरी सिंह को क्या लगा कि अनिल को पता था. He knew about the robbery. But neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. लेकिन अनिल को अगर पता भी लग गया होगा कि his money was stolen because it was wet, so he could have suspected कि पैसा तो मैट्रेस के नीचे रखा था, ये भींग कैसे गया. तो हो सकता है उसे पता भी लग गया होगा कि हरी सिंह ने उसको निकाला होगा. But he did not express it. But neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. So again he smiled in an attractive way. पहले भी जब वो शुरू में अनिल से मिले थे, तो he smiled in an attractive way. And the smile came by itself without any effort. But what was the difference in that smile and this smile? It was natural. This smile is natural. वो स्माइल जो था वो आर्टिफिशियल स्माइल था, अनिल को बेवकूफ बनाने के लिए. That was an artificial smile to trap Anil. But this was a natural smile which came because of Anil's goodness. He's such a nice man. Once he must have come to know about the that the money had been taken away from there and then returned. Why? Because the money was wet. But he did not ask Hari Singh anything. He was just normal. Because he thought that if a person has changed himself, he should get a chance to make a new beginning. uh. Even if you commit a mistake and you uh, realize your mistake and change yourself, so you should be given a chance. uh. So every person makes mistakes, but when a person realizes his mistake and decides to change himself, then the person should be given a chance to change himself. That is Anil's thinking. इसीलिए अगर उसे पता भी चला होगा तो he did not express his anger at anything. So word meanings: flattery, insincere praise, modestly, humble, grunting, making low guttural sounds, appealing, attractive, unlined, showing no signs of worry or anxiety. Okay, some extract biscuits. So what are Hari Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving education? Prospect means what? Know the meaning of prospect? Hello? Prospect means what? Tell me. Hello? Hello?
मैम सौभाग्य.
नहीं, chance. Prospect means chance. So what are Hari Singh's reactions to the chance of receiving an education?
Ma'am, he is very delighted.
Yes, he's very happy that he is getting education, because that will give him a chance to become a respectable person in society. So do they change over the time? So in the beginning, Hari Singh does not realize the importance of education. In the beginning, he does not realize the importance of the education he is getting in Anil's house. When does he realize it? When he has stolen the money and he missed the chance of getting educated. कहते हैं ना कि आपके पास कोई चीज होती है तो you don't understand the value. But what happens when you lose the thing? Then you understand the real value of the thing. So similarly was the case of Hari Singh. When he was getting education, at that time he did not realize the importance of education. But later on, when he stole the money and then he thought that now he would not get a chance to get educated, then he realized that uh, education was so important. In fact, that was the reason why he returned back to Anil's house. Okay. Why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? चलो सोच के बताओ.
Because Anil had realized that Hari Singh became a thief by his circumstances, not by his own will.
Okay. So Anil realized that Hari Singh was a okay due to his circumstances, paristhiti was. Also, he wanted to give him a chance. He knew that wanted to mend his ways. मतलब अपने आप को बदलना चाहता था. Mend his ways. Wanted to change himself. So he decided to give him a chance. Another chance. Okay. Do you think people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction, or are there such people in real life?
Ma'am, they are found very rarely.
People like
Yes,
Anil are found
yes.
very rarely. Huh? Such good persons that even if you do something bad to them, they don't react. So such people are very rare. Huh? They are found in real life. It's not that they are not found, though they may be rare. So where is have you met, do you think it a significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer? Is it significant means important? Is it an important detail? Yes, it is an important detail because it explains why uh, Anil refused to pay Hari Singh. इसीलिए उसको पैसा नहीं दे रहा था क्योंकि वो तो खुद. It explains why Anil refused to pay Hari Singh in the beginning.
Ma'am, do we need to write these questions also?
Yes, you get these kind of questions in the long type. Questions where you have to express your own opinion. The long type questions are usually like this only, where you have to take some points from the story and give your own opinion also. Like in the literature section, you have 2 marks question, 3 marks question, and 5 marks question. In 5 marks question, you can get these type of questions. Have you met anyone like Hari Singh? Can you think and imagine the circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old boy into a thief? What circumstances?